Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on Guard Dog Incorporated, ticker symbol GRDO. All these annotations you see are from the previous couple times I've done the chart. I got a request for it a couple weeks ago, and I did it, and then I updated it again, and now I decided, it's time for a video. This thing's been an absolute monster, so I want to get this up video fashion so I can kind of go over not only what I've been talking about, and then go over what's to kind of look for in the future. I'll also be using my e-signal chart so that we can figure out where some of these resistances are. Here's e-signal, but for now we'll just use this one because this is what's going to kind of show what's been going on. So like I said, all these annotations have been here. I haven't added any of them. But the first time I did it, we had this resistance area right here coming across, and a few days, let's see, about 4 days later after my initial chart, we had this candle right here, and this is the one that not only broke out from above the short-term resistance area, but it also broke out from our longer-term downtrend line here, which is that red line. And the key part about that, which is what I also pointed out, was that it was on above average volume. So looking at this volume bar, you can see above average compared to the previous days, and that's what you want to see on breakouts. You want to see above average volume because that's showing that there's a lot of people that are confident and a lot of people that are feeling good about this move. And then today is just a classic, perfect example of why volume is important. It showed that there is increasing interest. In fact, if you look at these three volume bars here, you can see that each one is getting bigger, which represents increasing interest. And then today, the fireworks really went off. Huge volume. Haven't seen this much volume since, who knows when. Maybe this day. This back here in July was a little bit bigger, but that doesn't matter. Big volume, and what it showed was that this was just the beginning of the breakout, and now this is all follow through on the breakout. So great volume and a nice follow through in terms of the price action that we had on Friday. Looking down here, good example of stochastic. What you want to see, just been doing a great job of staying above 50. When these plays get going, the stochastic should be able to stay above 50, and that's just kind of the analogy I like to use is that's kind of like if this is a gas tank, 50. As long as it's above 50, you have plenty of gas in the tank. Sure, there can be some downfalls, but if it's above 50, then you still got plenty of power in the tank to make the things go work for you. And this was just a classic example. It stayed above 50 during this time, and then the gas, boom, was enough to push things to a newer high. So overall, looking good. Support and resistances right now. The far down support from where you close is just this breakout trend line here. This was resistance, but because it was broken, it has now become support. So that's one support level, and now this is where we'll kind of transition over to the e-signal chart, because see if I can find it. What I'm going to do is pull up a weekly chart. Okay, this will be better. We can find some. Get this out of here. Alright, so let me so it looks like this right here is going to be a support level. This high, let's see, is at 0.006, so that's going to be one support level, and it's looking like this is going to be our next resistance level here. Yeah, we haven't closed above that. Intraday broke above it, but couldn't close above it. So this is going to be our support. Make that green. This is going to be our resistance for right now. Make that red, and this price level is at 0.0075. And then after 0.0075, you don't have the next resistance level until from back here, which is from a long time ago, but up here at a penny. So what I'm going to do is make that a little thicker, since that will probably, or not probably, that will be more of a significant level, and then after that things can really get exciting. But as far as resistance levels go, we have 0075 and then 0.01, and then we have this 006, and looking here, looks like this support line is going to be right at about 0045. So those will be your two support levels on any sort of pullback. So congratulations to pretty much everybody, the people that were accumulating down here, to the people that were playing the breakout, and then with today's move, that should have put everybody well in the green. So congratulations and good job. If there are any other questions, please send me a message. And also on another note, If you have not already, please check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really good reviews. And then you'll also be subscribed. You'll get all sorts of things, good variety from big boards down to small caps, trade ideas and all that. And we've been making our subscribers good money with our ideas. And it's one of those things where you can make money and learn at the same time, and it's all free. So it's definitely worth checking out. If you have any other questions, let me know. But one more time, this is GRDO.